Time to dive into your subjects. Your entire subject world, NCERT books, learning progress, revision tools, and even your AI teacher is packed in one smart module. Let's explore how you can learn, revise, ask doubts, and master every topic your way. Welcome to your Subject Hub. Let's dive in. Here, you'll see all your subjects at a glance, along with a progress bar to track how far you've come, quick access to your syllabus with just a tap, a handy button to resume, start, or revise, keeping your learning smooth and seamless. Your NCERT books, your pace. Let's dive in. Blue means you're on a roll. This subject is in progress. Red means you're just getting started. Time to dive in. Oh, and keep an eye on the button. Start changes to resume once you begin learning. Resume turns into revise after you've completed the subject. Your uploaded books, your learning, your way. Self-study place. Just like your NCERT books, these are the extra books you've uploaded for self-study. And yes, the button works the same way. Keep adding resources and make learning even better. Neatly organized chapters with all topics listed. Your learning map. Navigate easily through chapters and topics. Jump in where you left off or start fresh. Everything you need, all in one place. Subject overview, your learning at a glance. Track. Learn. Conquer. Chapter and topics, see what's covered and what's next. Started versus completed, instantly know which parts you've begun and which are done. Quick access, jump straight into learning with just a tap. Got a doubt? Just ask. With the Ask Your Query button, you can ask questions anytime, anywhere in the chapter. Get unlimited chances to clear your doubts. Learn without any hesitation, just tap and ask. Click Ask Your Query anytime from the top right corner of your screen. Type your doubt and send it without interrupting your flow. Get instant support from your learning assistant right inside the chapter. Ask Your Query chat. All your queries will show up here, so you never lose track. Learn at your own pace with unlimited queries. You can activate this just by saying, "Hello teacher." Get step-by-step explanations for better understanding. Jump in, just like that. Your study map. Use the collapsible side panel to view the full table of contents. Instantly jump to any topic or chapter, no need to go back and forth. It's just like flipping to the right page in your textbook but better. Make notes, just like you do in class. Your personal scribble space. Use the Notes tab in the side panel to look into any thoughts, formulas, or reminders while studying. Glance at it anytime you need. Everything stays saved and sorted, so you never lose track of your learnings. Make learning personal. Add notes anytime. Click the Notes icon at the top right corner to add a new note. Choose your favorite color, just like sticky notes. Jot down key points or reminders while you study. Key takeaways, your learning recap. This section brings all the essential bits from the chapter together so you can revise faster and smarter. It has two parts to help you wrap up everything you've learned. Key takeaways. Definitions, the key terms. Find all the important words and terms from the chapter, explained in a simple, student-friendly way. Confused about a word? We've got you covered with clear meanings and examples. Plus, these definitions are backed by subject matter experts and inspired by content from trusted YouTube education channels, so you know it's accurate and easy to understand. Self-made notes. This is where all the notes you made while learning are collected in one place. Wrote something important using the top right notes icon in the chapter? You'll find it here. It's your own custom study guide, written by you, for you. Switch anytime for better understanding. Learn in your own language. Use the language drop-down to toggle between English, Hindi or your native language. Choose the language you're most comfortable with. Learning gets easier when it's in the language you love. Activate teaching mode in a tap. AI Teacher on. Just tap the Teaching Mode button from the top bar. And boom, your lesson transforms into a classroom experience. Clear concepts with fun, classroom-style teaching. Turn your chapter into a live teaching experience with audio and visuals. Your personal classroom. The AI Teacher explains concepts just like in a real classroom. Get interactive activities as you learn for better understanding. It's learning that feels alive, fun, and just for you. Your AI Teacher is here to help, anytime, anywhere. Hello teacher. खुद पढ़ेंगे, खूब बढ़ेंगे.